This is Tim Rozansky with PDQ Restoration. Today, I'm going to go over mold prevention after water damage, the essential steps. Water damage creates the perfect environment for mold growth, posing risks to your home and health. Follow these steps to prevent mold after water damage. Immediate actions. Stop the water source. Fix leaks or burst pipes to prevent moisture buildup by either calling your plumber or doing it yourself. Remove standing water. Use a wet/dry vacuum or towels to eliminate excess water from floors and carpets or an extraction device. Drying and dehumidifying. Increase ventilation, open windows, and use fans to dry out damp areas, especially in bathrooms and around sinks. Use dehumidifiers. Reduce indoor humidity to prevent mold from thriving. Now, on to cleaning and sanitizing. Clean all surfaces. Scrub affected areas, especially bathrooms, toilets, and sinks, to remove potential mold spores. Disinfect thoroughly. Use sanitizers to eliminate bacteria and prevent mold growth. Now onto structural repairs and inspections. Check for hidden moisture. Inspect behind walls, under floors, and crawl space using moisture meters. Repair water damaged materials. Replace drywall, insulation, or flooring that retains moisture. This cannot be salvaged in most circumstances. Monitoring and maintenance. Control the humidity. Keep indoor humidity below 60% with hydrometer. And use mold-resistant products. When remodeling, choose mold-resistant drywall and paint for added protection. To conclude, preventing mold requires quick action, proper drying, and ongoing maintenance. PDQ Restoration, we provide expert water and fire damage restoration across North Jersey. If you have any questions, please give us a call today.